what's up? What's up, everybody? I'm gonna be doing a challenge. We're gonna trade from a stick. We're gonna try to get a rocket launcher. Okay? So trade up challenge to a rocket launcher. So we're gonna join random lobbies, and we're gonna try to trade to a rocket launcher. So let's go. Let's join the. Don't look at the code. I'm not gonna let you know that. All right, we're gonna go no PvP. All right, first code.
Are you thinking of
Don't buy me some.
Does anybody want to trade a stick?
Johnny.
Do you have anything to trade for a stick? Do you have anything to trade for a stick?
Johnny. Look my name.
Purple. Purple. Do you have anything to trade for a stick?
Yes, I did request you. I did request you.
Oh, okay.
I did request you.
There's a stick.
Anyone have a white suitcase?
Who's not my choice,
A golden boom box.
Follow me, screen.
Friend. Hello, friend.
Guys, we already got a flashlight. A giant flashlight. We're so much closer. That was so easy. Alright, come on. Let's go to the next code.
This is your last chance.
Hey, guys. Black.
Stop it.
Green. Never mind. He's deaf. I'm joining a new code. I don't like this. Oh, hi. Yellow. Never mind. New code. Alright. Flashlight.
Let's go into the
Hey, blue. Blue.
What should we do, guys?
Green.
Oh, guys, I have a good idea.
I'm trading from a stick
Guys, I have a good idea.
to a rocket launcher.
And then
Do you have anything to trade for this big flashlight?
That's a good idea. Bye.
Okay, that works. Nice, got a backpack.
Hey, Black, friend me. We're gonna go to a PvP code.
And then we're gonna go and kill people and steal their stuff. That's
New
it.
code.
Yo, this is my Skinwalker Bob. He pretty chill, not gonna lie. Does anybody have a suitcase?
Guys,
I don't think.
Hey, red.
I know one.
Red.
Do you wanna do the infinite money glitch, mister?
Red. Do you have anything? I'm trading up from a stick to a rocket launcher. Do you have anything to trade for this?
What's in there?
I don't know.
I'm backing up.
There's nothing in here. I just traded
Kind
this.
of final step. Could somebody
What
please?
did you trade for? What'd you trade for?
Give me a suitcase
I'm trading from a
and
stick to a rocket launcher, and I have a
I wanna
backpack.
do the infinite money glitch.
Do you have anything to trade?
Shut up.
Wait, bigger or better? Which one? Bigger or better? What are you doing? Just big?
I'm trading up to a rocket launcher, so better.
I can give you a rocket launcher.
Who is in there trading up to a rocket launcher? I can just
Me.
give you a rocket launcher.
Me. I am. Wait, did you say that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trading up to a rocket launcher.
Someone who said that, but I can't.
Do you want to trade for the
I
backpack?
bet.
Like the rocket
So which one are we
Donation,
going
donation.
to?
Bro, there's no ammo up in here. I was just playing.
Yeah,
with
sure. I'll
you.
trade you. I'll trade you.
Donation.
Well, no, that's it.
Where did my
Yeah.
grapple go?
Blue.
Yeah, the office.
I don't
Come see.
know.
I don't want these kids to
Machine
that steal this.
again.
Come see.
Are you making
Why is
coffee?
he so this?
Here.
You know?
Well, this was a short video.
Where are you?
Uh-huh.
Guys, we got a rocket launcher.
Very short. You know, I should do that.
Guys. Wait, hold on. We already got a rocket launcher. That was so easy. Well, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and have a nice day.